Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is PiffsPeak, and today we're going to show you how to add GIFs, add a sound in OBS. We will also be showing you how to set up a stream deck with the OBS plugin. And if you don't have a stream deck, we will also show you how to set up hotkeys on your keyboard. This will allow you to activate your GIFs in OBS. Sit back and let's get to it. To get started, you'll first need to download some GIFs. To download GIFs, you can go to websites like Giphy, Tenor, or any other GIF source that's out there. Or if you have GIFs on your computer already, you can use those. Today's video, we're gonna go to Giphy, which is giphy.com. Here, you'll be able to download millions of different types of GIFs. And today, we're gonna do Bearish GIFs. So we're gonna put Bearish AF, and at the end, make sure to put transparent. Once we get to the Bearish GIFs channel here, we will now go to stickers. From here, you will see all of the transparent background GIFs that Bearish has. Let's download a few GIFs. In order to download a GIF, we will find a GIF that we want, click on that GIF, and then we'll hit the download button. Now, let's continue and download the rest of our GIFs. Now that we got our GIFs downloaded, let's move on. Now that we got all of our GIFs downloaded, we can now go and download some sound effects. In this part of the video, the website we'll be using is called myinstance.com. Once we get to the website, you will come to the main page of My Instance. My Instance is one of the largest sound effect libraries on the web. And today, we're going to be downloading a clapping effect, a shocked effect, and a laughing effect. So let's get started and show you how to search and download these sound effects. To get started, we're going to go up to the top left of the page to the search bar. We're going to type in clap. Here, you will get a series of different clips and sounds that you can choose from. Once you find the sound that you want, simply click on the button to test the sound. After you have found the sound effect that you want, simply click on it. Click X on the ad, and it will bring you to the page to download it. Simply hit download MP3. As you can see, our sound effect is now downloaded. Let's continue and download the rest of these sound effects. Okay, now that we got our sound effects downloaded, let's move on. Now that we've downloaded all of our GIFs and our sound effects, we'll now move on to install the Elgato software for your Stream Deck. We will head over to the official Elgato website, which is elgato.com. Once we get to the official website, we'll then head over to the Downloads tab at the top right hand corner of the page. Once we get to the Downloads tab, we will see many different softwares. We will look for Stream Deck and download the software. Go ahead and skip this to continue with your download. From there, you'll be prompted that your download is happening. Once your download is complete, simply just click on Stream Deck and install it. Now that we have installed the Stream Deck software, let's open up the app. Once we have opened up the Stream Deck app, we will then go to the top and click on the Marketplace button. From here, you will be brought to the Elgato Marketplace. If you have an account, simply sign in, and if you don't, sign up for one. Once you have logged in, we can then go to the Search tab and search for OBS plugin. Once we have searched OBS plugin, we'll be looking for the one called OBS Studio. Once you click on it, it will say Get. Hit the Get button. After you get it, it will say Open in Stream Deck. Simply click on Open in Stream Deck. Now that we have the OBS plugin for the Stream Deck, we will relaunch the app. After you relaunch the app, we'll then open up OBS. Now that you got OBS open, we will now show you how to add your GIFs and your sounds into OBS. We're simply going to go down to the sources, hit the plus sign. From here, click on media source. We're going to create a new source and we're going to name it clap. Once we have named the source, we will now be prompted to browse our local files to find the GIF that we want to add. Simply click on Browse. Go to the Downloads tab and select the GIF that you want to add in first. Once you have selected your GIF, you can keep it off a loop, or you can put it on a loop, which means it will repeat and replay until you stop it. Hit OK. From here, once your GIF is added, we can reposition it by clicking on it and dragging it. Now that we've found our spot where we want our GIF to be, we'll leave it there and move on to the next step. We'll now show you how to add a sound into OBS. We're going to go back down to the sources and hit the plus sign. From here, we're going to go back to media source. We're going to create a new source and we're going to name it clapping. Hit OK. Again, we're going to go to browse for our local file. Make sure we're in the Downloads tab. Make sure you select the sound effect that you want to add. And hit OK. If you notice, you do not hear any sounds at all coming through OBS. To fix this, we're going to hit the eyeball on the clapping sound to hide it, and then we're going to click it again to activate it, From here, you'll see that the clapping is moving. We simply want to click on the three dots, go to Advanced Properties. From here, look for the clapping sound. Go over to where it says Audio Monitoring. Hit Monitor Off, and make sure you have Monitor and Output. Hit Close. And from here, if you deactivate the sound and then reactivate it, it plays. You can also adjust the volume of the sound as well, so when it activates, it's not as loud. Now that we got our GIF in and our sound, we'll now click on the clapping. We'll hold down our Shift key. We'll push down on the down arrow to highlight the top two. From here, we're going to right click and go to Group Selected Items. And from here, we're going to rename this to Clap GIF. Now that you have named it, we will now then head over to the Stream Deck. From here, you will notice that you have multiple tabs on the right hand side of the software. The one we're going to focus on today is the OBS Studio. Simply click on the arrow for the drop down menu to come down. From here, we're going to be looking for Source Visibility. Simply click on Source Visibility and drag it to one of the squares on the Stream Deck. Once you have put it in a selected square, we will then go down and click on Scene at the bottom here. We'll go for we're going to click Scene 4. After we've selected the scene that we are going to be looking into, we will then hit Source. From here, you'll notice it will say Clap GIF, Clap GIF Clapping, Clap GIF Clap. The one you want to pick is Clap GIF. When you select this, you then now can click the button on your Stream Deck to where it now deactivates the GIF. And then when you click on it, it reactivates it. Now, if you don't have a Stream Deck, there's also another way where you can set up to where you can activate and deactivate your GIFs in OBS. And it's called hotkeys. We're going to go down to the Settings tab. From the Settings tab, we'll go down and we'll look for the Hotkeys tab. From here, you'll notice there is certain scenes and sources that you'll find that you have in OBS. We will simply scroll through until we find the scene that we are working on, which in this video is Scene 4. From here, we can set a hotkey for the Clap GIF group folder. Simply pick a key on your keyboard to show it and also to hide it. For me, I'm going to use the number star button for both. Hit apply and then hit OK. From here, you'll be able to hit the keybind known as the hotkey on your keyboard. And then you'll be able to hit it again to deactivate it. And there you go. And that's all there is to it. You just learned how to add GIFs, how to add sound to a GIF on OBS. We also showed you how to install your Stream Deck software in your OBS plugin. We even showed you how to set up hotkeys on your keyboard. If you found this video useful and helpful in any way, please subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment, and share out the video. If you have any advice or tips for a future video, drop it down below. Thanks. Have fun creating.